And welcome to 8 Daily Affirmations, episode 56. Let's go through 8 affirmations to kickstart your day with positivity. I'll say each one 2 times, so repeat with me to boost your confidence, reduce stress, and stay motivated. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I am fearless. I am fearless. I can do hard things. I can do hard things. I create my future. I create my future. People recognize my worth. People recognize my worth. I lead by example. I lead by example. Today I win. Today I win. I am steady. I am steady. I think positively. I think positively. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.